Okay, today I went to Walmart and picked up compact multi-tool. Has 10 functions. Bear Grylls Project Survival, I'll cut that out in a sec. It has needle nose pliers, wire cutters, fine edge knife, serrated edge knife, Phillips screwdriver, small flat screwdriver, small and medium flat driver, lanyard ring, bottle opener, and tweezers. Okay. Here's the tool without the pliers. Here's the serrated edge. Here is the bottle opener and flathead screwdriver. Here's the Phillips screwdriver. You can't really see it, but these are the tweezers, really small tweezers. So it's really small. Let me put this down, close all these up, and then open the multi-tool. Okay, here it is, and hold on, it's a little wet. It is spring loaded, and the thing I like about it is I don't know if there's real springs, but it's spring loaded. It has the wire cutters at the very end. You see them right here, and then the needle nose pliers. It's really small actually. Actually, it's really comfortable to hold. It's not grippy, but it's easy to hold. Here's this fine edge knife, and we're gonna use it to cut open. Just ignore anything here in the background. I can't do it with one hand. It doesn't really matter if I cut the pocket guy, but I'm gonna try not